Frigidaire ice maker making loud noise? Here's how to fix it. Alright, so if your Frigidaire ice maker suddenly starts making loud or unusual noises, I know that can feel worrying, especially if it used to run quietly and now you're hearing grinding, knocking, or buzzing sounds during the ice cycle. The first thought is usually that something inside is breaking, but most of the time, that's not actually the case. These machines have moving parts like the fan, the ice tray mechanism, and water flow components, so some noise is normal. The issue starts when those sounds become louder than usual. That's usually a sign that something small is off rather than a major failure. A lot of the time, it comes down to things like vibration, ice buildup, or airflow problems that put extra strain on the system. So instead of ignoring it or assuming the worst, let's go through a few simple checks that can bring it back to normal. First, turn off the ice maker and unplug it. This stops everything safely so you can check it without anything moving. Next, look at where the unit is placed. If it's not sitting on a flat and stable surface, it can vibrate and amplify noise. Adjust it so it sits evenly. After that, check inside the ice tray area. Sometimes ice gets stuck or builds up in places it shouldn't. Remove any excess or jammed ice carefully. Then take a moment to clean the inside components. Small bits of debris or buildup can interfere with normal movement and cause extra noise. Also, make sure the unit has enough space around it for proper airflow. If it's pushed too close to walls or other objects, it can overwork and get louder. Once everything looks good, plug it back in and turn it on again. Let it run and see if the noise level has improved. In most cases, this kind of issue is something simple like positioning or buildup, not a serious internal problem. Fix that, and the machine usually goes back to running quietly like before.